Here, another important case, alternative circuit diagrams for Wheatstone bridge. So, as we know, so in previous case, Wheatstone bridge circuit, so this is a one total resistor, this is another resistor, this is a another resistor, this one is also another resistor, this one connecting B, this one connecting A. So A connecting battery B and B connecting battery negative. So in middle one more resistor there. This name is P, this name is Q, this name is R, this name is S, this name is W. So this one we know. So while in entrance side they will ask, they will give different circuits. So you may converting to Wheatstone bridge like this one. This one look like this one. I am going to redraw. So this one. So here also this point A one junction. So here bridge balanced case. I am talking about bridge balanced case. So in bridge balanced case, in middle term you may remove like. So this is the B, here the middle resistance. This middle resistance like this. Point A terminal. These two are same. This is the P, this is Q, this is R, this is the S, this one is the W. Here also this circuit also Wheatstone bridge circuit, and one more circuit also there. So you may draw this one resistor, another resistor, another resistor, and here one more resistor. So here the another resistor like this. This is the B, this point is A. So A, this A, P and Q. That's why this is a P, this is a Q, and B side R and S. This is a R, this is a S. So in between middle wire, this is the middle wire. So this point A from to B, this is previously we consider this X potential, this is a Y potential. In between Q and S, so Q and S, here the Y potential. So in between, so here P and so R, P and this is the P and R, this is the X potential. This will look like a Wheatstone bridge. This one also another form also. So in I'm going to draw. So here the first diagram. This is a some different. So here the one more resistor, here the one more resistor. So now these two are connecting one point. This is a A and this is a point is B. Here, see here, this B terminal means after crossing the and here crossing, here potential and here potential same. That's why this is a W potential same. Here the X, here the Y. So potential same. So here the P, here the Q, here the S, here the R. This one also seems like Wheatstone bridge. So wherever whatever the given circuit, you may convert to Wheatstone bridge. It means bridge balanced case like this. So after this one easy to find. So by using bridge balance case, P by Q is equal to R by S case. Now we are going to discuss one more important case here. So equivalent resistance. How to find the equivalent resistance of unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. So already we know balanced Wheatstone bridge how to solve. Already we discussed previous class. So balanced nothing but P by Q is equal to R by S. It means that's why remove middle resistance. Remove middle resistance because here middle resistance potential across that middle resistance. So same. That's why you may remove. So middle resistance. But here unbalanced not equal P by Q not satisfied here. P by Q not equal to R by S case. This case how to find the equivalent resistance we are going to discuss. Let us consider I am going to take here 5 resistors. This is one, this resistor 5 ohm, and this is a 3 ohm resistor. Now this is another one. This is a 6 ohm resistor. Now this is another one. This is a 2 ohm resistor. In middle, this is a 4 ohm resistor. Here point terminal A. Here the point B. Here 5 by 6 after substitute here. See whether this given circuit bridge balance is satisfy or not. You may identify first. 5 by 6 is equal to 3 by 2. So here not equal to 3 by 2. That's why unbalanced resistance bridge. This type of circuit is given unbalanced resistance bridge. Here see here 5 by 6 here 3 by 2 is satisfied. That's why unbalanced, not equal to 3 by 2. That's why unbalanced. That in this case don't remove the here 4 ohm resistor. So in this case how to solve this one? So first of all you may identify this potential is the X, this potential Y. So we write so KCL equation, we write KCL equation for X and Y potential. X and Y potential. So from the X potential how to write, already we know from the X potential. So here this one connecting battery positive, this one connecting battery negative through switch like this. This is the negative. Here the potential V. Here the negative side zero potential. Here also zero potential. Here also zero potential. In right positive charge side, positive battery side. Here the maximum potential V. Here the V potential. Here the V potential. Due to this one I am going to write across this one. Here the current nothing but here the current nothing but X minus 0 divided by resistor ohm. So X minus 0 divided by 3. Similarly X minus Y divided by 4 plus X minus V divided by here the resistor 5, that should be equal to 0. If this Y value, battery value I am going to consider 100 volt, you may substitute here V is equal to 100 volt. This is the equation number 1. Similarly Y potential, here Y minus 0 divided by 2 plus Y minus here X divided by 4 plus Y minus 100. V is nothing but 100 here. V is nothing but here 100 by here 6 should be is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Here solving equation 1 and 2, solving equation 1 and 2, we get X is equal to, you may do calculate simplification, you may do place, you may do Y is equal to some value will get. So our main aim is equivalent resistance. Equivalent, how to find the equivalent resistance? So that equivalent resistance should be equal to potential across the circuit divided by net or current passing through circuit. Current passing through that circuit. Nothing but here the potential nothing but 100 volt divided by I. That I nothing but the sum of these two only. Sum of the here the current and here the current. Here the current divided by here when the current I enter to this junction. Here the current divided by I1 and here the current divided by I2. So here the moving in this way. Here the same. Here the one more current. Here the next current and this current. So total this current enter to the B side. Here the current also I, again here the current I. So that's why please you may write the, so you may find the here the current and here the current. So how to find the here the current? From this one X value we know. So here this X, once we know the X value, nothing but how to find the current across the 3 ohm resistor, X minus 0 divided by 3. So that's why here current nothing but here x by 3 plus this x value substitute here will get the equivalent value, and sum of the here y by 3, this y value substitute, x and y value substitute here will get the r equivalent value. Please you may solve equation 1 and 2 will get the x value and y value. This x value substitute here, this y value substitute here will get the r equivalent resistance of unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. So whenever they ask this type of question, you may do like this. Please you may do like this. Now we are going to discuss equivalent resistance of symmetry circuits. So let us consider one circuit analysis. So this is the one resistor. So this is this resistor name 5 ohms, this resistor name 10 ohms, and this one so here the 10 ohm resistor, here the 5 ohm resistor. So here connecting point B, here connecting point A, here in between in middle way. So here the one more resistor. So here connecting like this. Here the 10 ohm resistor. So like this, here the 10 ohm resistor. So here, so this one also bridge is not balanced. Here 10 by 5. Here the 10 by 5, here the 5 by 10. So bridge equation also not follow. But here whenever this closed, here nothing but so here the symmetry. So this one, so like this is the enter the current like this. Here the 10 ohm. So let us consider here the I1 current passing through the 5 ohm resistor, and I2 current passing through the 10 ohm resistor. When here the let us consider this potential outlet to consider X. So this A connecting battery positive, B connecting here the battery negative connection. So here negative, here positive. Here this battery potential outlet to consider 100 voltage, 100 volt. So whenever the connecting here the outlet to consider X, here the outlet to consider 100 minus X. This potential 100 minus X. So here the I2 moving nothing but here the I2 current, here the I1 current. These two are symmetry. These two are here the I, here the 5 ohm, here the 5 ohm, here the 10 ohm, here the 10 ohm. So these two are symmetry. So current this one this current passing through here the I, here the also I. So total current here the sum of these I1 plus I2 nothing but I. So here you may apply using KCL equation for X, using KCL equation for X. So this is the KCL equation about this axis. So about this point, not axis, about this point. So here the X might, whenever the connecting battery negative nothing but here the zero potential, here the zero potential, here the zero potential, here the zero potential. So here the 100 volt, here the also 100 volt, here also 100 volt, here also 100 volt. So you may consider here the X minus 0 divided by 5, 1 about this potential. So here X minus 100 divided by 10, X minus 100 divided by 10. So another one here to here, X minus of minus 100 minus X, divided by 10. So you may apply using KCL equation for x nothing but x minus 0 divided by this 5 ohm resistor plus x minus 100 divided by 10 ohm plus x minus of minus 100 minus x. So here the x minus 100 of minus x divided by 10, this should be equal to 0. This value should be equal to 0. From this equation you may find the x value. So if you simplify here 5x, here the simplify x divided by 5 plus x minus 100 divided by 10 plus 2x minus 100 divided by 10 should be is equal to 0. Should be is equal to. If you simplify again here, the 5x is equal to 200. So if you simplify this equation, 5x is equal to 200. 5x is equal to 200. So x is equal to 5 on the, so 5 for the 20. Here the 0. So x is equal to 40 volt. X is equal to how much here? 40 volt. It means here the 40 volt, here the 100 minus 40 nothing but here the 60 volt. Here the 40 volt. So once you know the 40 volts here the, so equivalent resistance. How to find the equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance R equivalent is equal to, so battery across this resistor, potential difference across this circuit nothing but 100 volt divided by here the total current I. So total current I nothing but here the x divided by 5 plus 100 minus x divided by 10 nothing but total value. So that should be is equal to 100 divided by, so x divided by 5 plus 100 minus x divided by here the 10, that should be is equal to 100 divided by x nothing but 40 divided by 5 plus and 60 divided by 10. This is 0. 5 1 the 5 8 the, so 100 divided by 14. So 8 plus 6, 100 divided by 14. This is the 250, 270. So 50 by 7. So R equivalent is equal to here in this case R equivalent is equal to 50 by 7. 50 by 7 ohm. This is the R equivalent value. This is the R equivalent value. Equivalent resistance of symmetry system. This one is the symmetry. This one also symmetry. So here the, whenever they ask you this type of question, you may do like this. Please keep it these points. So please don't skip. So here based on previous case, so here see this circuit diagram. So what they are asking here, calculate current through each resistance. So 5 ohm resistance current how much, and 10 ohm resistance current how much, this 4 ohm resistor current how much. See this equation. So this circuit diagram. So in the given circuit shown in figure. So that's why here the loop you may apply using KVL rule in very first case solution. So using KVL rule, loop A, B, C, D and A. So this one already consider here the current I1. In this equation you may apply KVL rule. So here the negative to positive, that's why plus 6 plus and here the current direction and your path direction both are same, that's why you may write minus here the current I1 into 5 plus here the current direction downward, I1 downward direction in this loop I2. So here the I1 minus here the I1 minus I2 into current direction same and your path direction also same, that's why you may write here minus value into 4. So minus higher to lower minus 10 should be is equal to 0. This is the first equation. From this one 6 minus 5 I1 minus 4 I1. So here the minus 4 I1 minus it minus 4 I2. So minus here 10 is equal to 0. From this one, this is I1. So from this one 6 minus 9 I1. So plus 4 I2 minus 10 is equal to 0. So here minus, so this value is not minus 4 plus 4 I2 is equal to 9 I1. From this one I1 is equal to, so here 1 by 9 of 4 I2 minus 4. 4 I2 minus 4. This is the I1 value. This is the equation number 1. By using KVL rule, loop. So here DCEF. So by using KVL rule, loop equation, here the D, C, E, F, D. In this case, so you may write down KVL equation. So here the CD nothing but negative 10 to positive 10 means here the positive 10 and here the minus 4 into I2 minus I1 into minus of 10 into here the I2 minus I2 is equal to 0. So here the 10 minus 4 I2 minus into minus plus 4 I1 plus minus 10 I2 minus I2 is equal to 0. So here this I2 value substitute here. So this I2 value substitute, I1 value substitute here. So here the 10 minus 8 nothing but 2 minus 4 into I2 plus 4 into 1 by 9 of 4 I2 minus 4 is equal 4. So here minus 10 I2. So here the total 14 I2 is equal to 0. So this value you may simplify. So 2 minus 14 I2 plus 4 by 9 of or 16 by 9 of I2 minus here 16 by 9 is equal to 0. So here from this one you may simplify and you will get the, so you may simplify here the I2. So this I2 value is equal to 14. Here the I2 is taken common. So I2 of minus 14 plus 16 by 9. So here the minus 16 by 9 plus 2 is equal to 0. So here take out LCM plus 2. Take out LCM here 9. Here also 9. So I2 into, so 9 into 14. So 14 into 9 nothing 9, so 36, so 3 9 into 1, so 126, here the, so here the 126, so minus 126 my plus 16 by 9 minus 16 plus, so here 18 by 9 is equal to 0. So from this one I2 of 16 nothing but minus 110 divided by 9 minus, here the, so here the plus 1 and this a minus 1 nothing but minus 6, so 18, so plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. This 9 take out LCM again is equal to 0. So here I is equal to, so here 1 by I2 is equal to, from this one, so I2 is equal to 1 by 55 ampere. So I2 is equal to, once we know the I2 value, so here the I2 is equal to, here the I2 is equal to, here the I2 is equal to 1 by 55 ampere. So once we know the I2 value, so you may find the I1 value. So you may use any one of the equation. So here the first equation, so here the first loop equation, so here the, what is the first loop equation you may identify. So here the 6 plus I1 minus I1 into, and means 5 into I1 minus 4 into I1 minus I2 minus 10 is equal 0. Here the, so you may substitute here the I is equal to 1 by 55. So from this one you will get, so here I1 is equal to minus 24 by 55, so ampere. You may simplify this equation, this value substitute here, you will get I1 is equal to minus 24 by 55 ampere. Similarly I1 minus I2 is equal to I1 value minus 24 by 55 minus I2 nothing but 1 by 55. So take out LCM 55 minus 24 minus 1 divided by, so 25 minus 25 by 55, 5 by 5 5s are 5 11s are, so minus 5 by 11. So this is a, this value is nothing but I1 minus I2, this is a ampere meter. So this is a ampere meter. It means here current passing through the 5 ohm resistor, current passing through the, here the current passing through the 5 ohm resistor. So I5 is equal to, here the 24 by 50 ampere, current passing through the 10 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor, here 1 by 55 ampere meter, current passing through the 4 ohm resistor, so 5 by 11 ampere meter. These three, you, according to question, these three is the answer to the question. Please you may remember, so this method. So whether they are asking this type of question, you may do like this. Please remember this question. So here whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like this. Here another important model, here the 10 ohm, here the 10 voltage battery, here the positive and here the negative. So here the 2 ohm resistor, here potential point A, here 3 ohm resistor, potential point B, 4 voltage, 1 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor. Here the potential C, here the potential D, here 20 voltage, here 6 ohms. So in the circuit shown in the figure, find the potential difference VA minus VD. So potential difference here to here they will ask. So here to here, whenever they asking this type of question, you may find the first of all in this loop current already consider I1. In this loop current I2, you may identify the first how many loops are there in that circuit. So you may identify the first. So here the one loop, here the one closed loop. That's why using here the KVL loop I1. KVL loop I1 in this loop. So here the plus 10 minus 2 into I1 minus 3 into I2 is equal to 0. Total I1 is equal to ampere. 2 ampere. Similarly, using second loop, using KVL rule, loop I2 in this loop. So here here this is the minus, this is the plus. So you may find in this loop. So here here the positive terminal to negative terminal means minus 20 volt minus I2 into 4 minus 6 into I2 is equal 0. Total this one minus 20 is equal to I2, 10 into I2, this one cancel. From this one I2 is equal minus 2 ampere. I2 value we know, I1 value we know. What they asking? Potential different VA minus VD is equal to how much? This is the question. So here the current once we know, here the current also we know. So here the VA from here to here, this is the loop they are asking. This is the loop. So VA, here the potential VA. So in the direction minus 3 into I1 nothing but 2. So here the plus 4. So here the in the direction only. So 4 into plus 4 into. So here the 4 into here the current minus 2. So here is equal to VD is equal to VD. So VA minus VD is equal to 6 minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 10 voltage. So VA minus VD is equal to 10 voltage. Potential different these two terminal VA minus VD is equal to 10 voltage. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like this. Here another important model. Find the current in 6 ohm resistor. 6 ohm, this 6 ohm resistor in the circuit shown in figure. So this is the 4.5 voltage battery. This 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 10 ohm. About this one, how much current passing through this across this resistor. So here the outlet consider here the X potential across this point outlet consider X. So here you may apply negative side, here the zero potential. So here the potential 4.5, here the potential 4.5, here the X. So here you may apply here KCL equation for KCL equation for X potential. Here the KCL equation for X potential. Here the X minus 0 divided by 6 plus x minus 4.5 divided by 3 plus x minus here the 3, x minus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 0 from this one. So here the x by 6 plus x minus 3 divided by 10 plus x minus 4.5 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Simplify, you will get 8 x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 18. So 18 ones are 18 threes are. So 54, 3 voltage. So here the x is equal to 3 volt. Here, but once we know this potential, so across this resistor, so here the current I is equal to across this one x minus 0 divided by 6. X nothing but 3 minus 0 divided by 6 is equal to, so 1 by 2. So current I is equal to 0.5 ampere. So this is the answer to the question. This is the answer to the question. Here another important model. Find the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown in figure across terminal A and B. This A and B, each resistance in this circuit is of resistance R. Each resistance R, this one also R, this one also R, this one also, each resistance R. So what they are asking here? So equivalent resistance between A and B. So solution. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may identify the, so here bridge balancing case. So here the potential and here the potential, here the across this potential, here the potential and here the potential. Let us consider here the potential X, here the also resistor R, here also resistor R. That's why this one also X. Here potential difference same, nothing but this one is a no need to draw. So you may remove or this middle resistance. So finally finally recircuit like this. This is the one resistor, this is the another resistor. So here the another resistor like that. Here the another resistor. This one also R, this one also R, this one also R, this one also R. This one nothing but series connection, R plus R 2R. So this one is a series again 2R. So it means this point is A, this point is B. Again redraw the circuit diagram. This is the one resistor, this is the another resistor, this is the another resistor like this. This is the terminal B, this terminal A, this is the 2R, this is the 2R, this one also 2R, this one is the R. So these two are connecting series. So then also again parallel, sorry, not in series, parallel connection. So here the parallel connection. So this R 2R into 2R divided by 2R plus 2R nothing but here this 2 resultant nothing but R from this circuit. So again redraw the diagram. This is also R, this is also R, this is a B and this is a A. So here also R into R equivalent is equal to RAB is equal to, whenever the parallel connection, so here the R into R divided by R plus R, that should be equal to R square by 2R, R cancelled. So R equivalent is equal to RAB is equal to R by 2. This is the answer to the question. Whenever they asking this type of question, you may do like this. One more important model. So see the circuit diagram. 2 ohm, 2 ohm, here the 10 ohm, and here 8 ohm, here 8 ohm, here the 10 ohm, here 2 ohm, here 2 ohm, here 48 voltage through switch here. In the circuit showing the figure, find the current through battery. First question, current through the battery, and second question, current through 8 ohm resistor. this 8 ohm resistor, how much they asking. Whenever they asking this type of question, you may identify the, so whether this R equivalent value you may find first of all. So whenever there's this type of question, you may find so R equivalent. Whenever the here negative side, here potential 0, here potential 0, here potential 0, here potential 0, here the 45, 48, here the 48, here the 48. So here the potential same nothing but here the potential and here the potential same nothing but here the potential across this potential same nothing but you may remove this middle, this one look like a here bridge balancing case, this one also bridge balancing case. That's why here the re-circuit diagram. So this is the 2 ohm, this is the 2 ohm, and this is the 8 ohm, this is also 8 ohm. So 8 ohm, 8 ohm, so like this, and here the 2 ohm, here the 2 ohm. So and this is a battery, so 48 voltage through switch like this, 2 ohm, and this is also 2 ohm. So this one is a series, this one is a series, this one is a series, these three are parallel connection. So whenever you may find the R equivalent value, so R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. R1 nothing but 2 plus nothing but 1 by 4 plus R2 nothing but 8 plus 6, 8 plus 8, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 4, total take out LCM 16, here the 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 9 by 16. So R equivalent is equal to 16 by 9 ohms. So equivalent resistance, so here 16 by 9. So you may find the what they asking here, the question, first question, current through battery. So current through battery nothing but current through battery. So I would like to consider this is the current I. So this I should be is equal to potential across the terminal divided by potential across terminal nothing 48 divided by R equivalent value 16 by 9. So it means this is 1, this is 3. So here the 3 into 9. So I is equal to 27 ampere. 27 ampere. So here they once you know the first equation, first current through battery we know, current through 8 ohm resistance they are asking. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like this, current through 8 ohm resistor nothing but this is the current through this one, how much they are asking. So here the current I is equal to here total across the here potential 48 minus 0, 48 minus 0 divided by total is a 16 resistance. So that should be is equal to 48 by 16, 16 ones are 16 threes are. So current in the 8 ohm resistor 3 ampere. So what is the first question? Current is through the battery 27 ampere, current through the 8 ohm resistor 3 current through the 8 ohm resistor, here the 3 ampere, current through the battery 27 ampere. Whenever they ask in this type of question, you may do like this.